Alright, welcome back everybody to the channel. Tonight we're doing a night drive with a 2023 Kia Stinger Tribute Edition, the last of its kind. So you can see very nice headlights there that do have the cornering functions. The matte gray looks really nice here at nighttime. I'll kind of go around the other side so you can see it in the light. Those roof vents are fake, by the way, but look at those nice Brembo brakes, black with the red lettering. Couldn't get that out. There we go. And then we come back, we got the quad tip exhaust, a nice little sound out of that guy too. And yeah, look at that nice daytime, or not daytime, actually nice light bar headlights. Nothing much has changed with the Kia Stinger over the years. It's kind of stayed the same. I'll show you the rear seats here. We got Napa leather, terracotta brown, very cool stuff. The light is not turning on in here, but that's fine. I'll leave it like that. We'll actually get into the driver's seat now and we'll take it for a drive. So now on the interior, hopefully you can see everything properly. Everything's kind of lit up very nice. It's got good ambient lighting in here. I'll kind of drive with the light on right here so you can see everything. But yeah, good vents. Again, not a lot has changed here in the interior. You got the footwell lighting there too. It kind of dims when we start to drive. A good mix of digital and, analog infotainment system. So yeah, let's actually take this thing on the road. All right, let's crank it into drive. Let's get going. I'll drive. So like I said, I will drive with this on. I'll kind of give you my thoughts on the Kia Stinger in case this is the only video that you're going to watch on it. And then I'll turn the light off and you will see how it is in the complete darkness. But just to kind of give you an idea of what it's like, because the low light isn't the best here. So we'll just roll it like this for just a little bit here. So yeah, overall, obviously, I'm sad that they're killing the Kia Stinger. It's been such a nice car since 2018, and unfortunately, it's my first time getting to drive it because I haven't been doing this for very long. So it's my first time actually getting my hands on a Kia Stinger. But I guess, and I think I say this in the review too, if you're gonna kill it, now's the time, right? I mean, we're going into a world now where it's mostly electric vehicles and it's all this and all that. And before you start to lose sales and produce a car for absolutely nothing, you might as well make a very nice version that may appreciate in value because it's going to be the last one for a couple years, and then maybe bring a successor back as an electric vehicle in a while. But there will never again be the Stinger gas car, and the V6 twin turbo has proved very, very useful. It is very fast. If you want to see the full performance rip and all that stuff, you can go and check out the review. Tonight's just a chill drive where I'm going to tell you about it, tell you how it's been to be for a week, and just kind of leave you with the silence of the driving. So the ride quality's been really good. Sport mode's fun to use. And for the price, yes, it is $60,000, but you're getting a lot of car and a lot of speed and a lot of engine for not that much money if you consider the other things in the market. Again, I know this is touching BMW territory, so people with BMW budgets or this kind of budget are probably going to buy the BMW and not the Kia, and maybe that's just why they're killing it. So I'll leave it there for now. I'm going to turn the dome light off and I'll let you enjoy the complete blackness and enjoy the little drive with me. Then I'll come back, we'll do a quick outro, and we'll leave things off there. So make sure you subscribe and like so I know to keep doing these things, and enjoy the drive from now. All right, so I think I'm going to go ahead and leave things off there. I hope you enjoyed this little drive along the water, although you probably couldn't see it because it was dark out, but I hope you enjoyed the Kia Stinger at night as much as I did, or do, because I do have like another day left of this thing, so I'm kind of just going to film it and enjoy the whole process, you know. And yeah, it's unfortunate that they're killing it, but, you know, doesn't mean that you can't pick it up later on with the used market. And who knows, you might get this thing for a steal, because these things are well equipped in almost all the trims. So it's really hard to find something to complain about. So I think I'll leave it there with the Kia Stinger Tribute. And it's a final send-off, because this will probably be the last video I do on it. The final send-off for our friend that I pretty much just met. So it's hard to say goodbye, but we have no choice to do it, because Kia's in control and not us. So with that, I will say goodbye to you as well. I'll see you in the next video, see you in the next car, see you the next week. Take care.